A data lake is a centralized repository that allows you to store all your structured and unstructured data at any scale. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about data lakes on AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1. AWS-powered data lakes supported by the highly available Amazon S3 service can handle the scale and flexibility required to combine data and analytics approaches. You can store your data as is without having to structure the data first and run different types of analytics such as big data processing and machine learning to make better business decisions. Number 2. According to a recent survey, companies that implemented a data lake outperformed their peers by 9% in organic revenue growth. Why? Because they leveraged their data lake to perform advanced analytics, such as machine learning, on various data sources like log files, click streams, social media, and internet-connected devices. Number 3. Depending on the requirements, a typical company will require both a data warehouse and a data lake, as they serve different needs and use cases. Number 4. In a data warehouse, the data structure and schema are defined in advance to optimize for fast SQL queries, and the results are typically used for operational reporting and analysis. Whereas in a data lake, the structure of the data is not defined when the data is captured. However, you can employ different types of analytics such as SQL queries, big data analytics, and machine learning to uncover useful insights from your data lake. Number 5. Data lakes allow you to import any amount of data that can come in from multiple sources in its original form. This allows you to scale to data of any size while saving time that would have spent in defining data structures, schema, and transformations. Number 6. AWS has a lot of options for data analytics in the cloud, including options for data warehousing, big data analytics, and data integration. Last but not the least, number 7. AWS offers built-in machine learning integration as part of the AWS Analytics services. You can build, train, and deploy ML models using familiar SQL commands without any prior machine learning experience. In summary, AWS provides a scalable and cost-effective portfolio of services that enables you to build your data lake in the cloud and analyze all your data with a variety of analytical approaches, including machine learning. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.